Alright, we got the one Reaper Dave's Hot Chicken Challenge right here with us. Let's try it out and see how it goes. Just gonna suffer in front of you guys. Go ahead and do. Alright, you guys read the title. So apparently it's the world's hottest chicken tender, obviously. Got the Reaper right here. And let's just try it out and let's see how bad I suffer. And alright, and that's that. Some pickles, ooh, and a bread. We got one fat chicken tender. And for backup, we got some ice. And we're gonna get some good old. That's what we're gonna do today. And I also got us an extra hot chicken tender. Something like that. Oh, chicken tender, extra hot, Dave's Hot Chicken. Before we try the Reaper on. I would say on a scale of 1 through 10, I have a spice tolerance of pretty a decent amount. Like, I would give myself a 7.5. I usually eat hot spicy food, but not someone that prefers spicy food all the time, obviously. That definitely has a kick to it. And it's not the kind of spice that kind of throws you off. I would say it's a very good spiciness for a fast food, if you know what I mean. And I actually really like it. That's pretty good. I can definitely feel the burn in my mouth, or around my mouth. I can definitely feel the burn around my mouth. Oh, look at that. The black kind of like seasoned stuff, I guess. Overall, I'm gonna give this a 7.5. Actually, 8 on a scale of 1 to 10 for spiciness. And for taste, I would give it definitely a good an 8.5, because it's really tender and and it definitely has a crisp to it. I hope you guys can hear that. Let's just put this thing away. And let's try the actual thing you guys are here for. Called the pickles. Well, pickles can't complain. I gotta say that's actually better than the Big Mac sauce. Yeah, that's actually surprising for me. Yeah, it's really good. You guys should try. And I did sign a waiver, just so you guys know. And I can put it over here or here, I don't know. And you definitely get to sign a waiver to order this off the menu. And yeah, I'm just let's just keep going at this point, I guess. All right. Definitely is. Spicy for sure. Mm. I'm gonna give this a good 12 out of 10. I'm done with this challenge. Let's just end the video at this point. See you guys. See you guys in the next video. I think you guys should try it at this point. I mean, if you're here to watch the video, you might as well go and try it, right? And I want you guys to go and try it. It is painfully hot. I am not denying that. I didn't kidding, my nose is running. But it's definitely a fun challenge that you guys could try with your buddies if you're gonna go out, have some good time, just to mess around with your buddies. Definitely don't prank them, or actually, you can't prank because they gotta sign a waiver. You're gonna get in a lot of trouble if you guys. You know what? Don't prank you guys. It's just might be a very terrible idea. And me as someone who has a kind of like above spice tolerance, it has a very, very super fast, very quick high kick to it. Just from the first bite that hits your tongue, it's gonna have 0 to 100 real quick. And please don't try it if you're someone with a bad stomach like me, or someone with a really bad excuse me, really bad spice tolerance, because it's not gonna end very well, obviously. Good luck to anyone that's gonna try it, and definitely a thumbs up for someone that actually tried it before. Honestly, my lips are fucking burning. Look at how bloody the bread is, soaked with the seasoned sauce. Why am I doing this? Yay.